Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker Engine latest version on Linux Mint 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to docs.docker.com, then click on manuals, then select Docker Engine, then select install. See here we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so select Ubuntu. See here OS requirements, we must have 25.10, 25.04, 24.04 and 22.04. I am on Linux Mint 22, but it is of type Ubuntu 24.04. So OS requirement match. Then if there are any older versions, we have to uninstall by running this command. So click on this copy button to copy, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. See, nothing is installed. See here we have these installation methods. I am going to install by using this Docker's apt repository. Click on it. See here we have these commands. So we have to run these commands one by one. So first update the packages. Ctrl L sudo apt update. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Now run these commands. Next it will install CS certificates and call. So I have already installed. Anyway, run this one. Paste it. Hit enter. See, both are already newer versions. Ctrl L. Now create these keyrings directory. Run these commands one by one. Now change the permissions. Now add the repository. Copy from this echo to up to this null. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. See, now update the packages again. Sudo apt get update. Everything is done. Ctrl A. Now install Docker packages. See, if you run this command, it will install latest version. But if you want specific version, you have to run this command. So I want to install latest version. So click on this copy button. Then paste it. Hit enter. See, it is installing Docker CE. CE means community edition. CLI, Containerd, Docker BuildX plugin, Compose plugin. Type a confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the version of the Docker. Control it. Docker-version. See, we have installed Docker version 28.5.1. Now verify the status of the Docker service. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is running and it is enabled. Quit. Control A. Now run sudo docker -version. Now run sudo docker version. See, this time we got more information. See, engine version is 28.5.1. Okay, Control A. See, if it is not started, we have to run this command. Now verify installation by running this hello world image. So click on this copy button, paste it, hit enter. See, unable to find image. It is downloading or pulling. See, we have successfully executed. See, this is the output. Hello from Docker. Okay, Control A. We have successfully installed. The last option that I want to show you is every time no need to give like sudo docker. So to avoid this one, we have to run sudo usermod -a cap z, then docker, then provide the username. So $user means currently logged in user. Hit enter. Now run the Docker version without sudo. Still we are getting permission. Why? Because we have to log off and log in back. to avoid this error. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Docker Engine latest version, that is 28.5 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, for more Docker or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.